Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to go over what I believe are some of the key CPQ terms that you're going to want to get familiar with if you're studying for the exam. All of these terms are from the Salesforce CPQ guide. In no way are these all the terms, these are just some of the ones that I thought were more important to know. So we'll start with block price. Block price allows you to assign a fixed price to a product based on quantity, overriding the automatic calculation of quantity times unit price. Keep in mind that block price is just one of the pricing methods. So if we move on to configuration attribute, these are pick lists that live on the quote line editor. They're used to set the value of multiple shared product option fields simultaneously, and they're tied to a specific product bundle. So one example of a configuration attribute would be on the quote line editor, if your company sold both hardware and software products, you might have a configuration attribute pick list field that allows your user to select either hardware or software. Next, we have contract prices. These are prices that you've negotiated with specific customers and should be automatically applied to all quotes for that specific customer. They're available on the account and can be applied to any product in any price book. Additionally, contracted prices can be constrained to a specific time period. Next, we have customer price. This is the price of a product after applying a discretionary discount. It's calculated as the regular price minus the additional discount. The additional discount is specified on the quote line editor. Next, we have guided selling. Guided selling creates a set of questions to prompt your users to narrow down the number of available products to select from based on the user's responses to those questions. This is useful because it allows users to quickly find the products they're looking for by answering the questions rather than manually filtering or searching through a large product catalog. Next, we have list price. You can look at list price the same way that you look at product pricing on opportunities. Each quote line has a list price that originated in the price book. If we move on to markup price, this price is determined by the product cost plus the markup amount. The calculated value is stored in the regular price field. Next, we have non subscription products. These are one time products that don't require a subscription. Think of a TV, a couch, really any physical asset. Additionally, during contract creation, non subscription products can convert to assets. Next is price rules. Price rules offer a flexible way of automating pricing calculations and updating quote line fields. You can set price rules to automatically discount quote line items based on product or quote attributes. You can set as many conditions as you'd like and specify whether one or all the conditions should be met to trigger the resulting actions. Next, we have products. Products are anything that can be identified as an individual line item on a quote. Products, services, fees, all are considered products in Salesforce CPQ. Next, we have product rules. Product rules check the quote line items and verify that there are no invalid product combinations at the line editor level. There are four types of product rules: validation product rules, alert product rules, selection product rules, which are the most common, and filter product rules. In a separate video, I'm going to go over the different product rules in Salesforce CPQ. Next, we have product features. Product features are a way to categorize or group product options within a product bundle. Product options of the same feature may have several constraints, such as pick one or more, pick two of five. An example of a product feature is buying a smartphone, in this case, a smartphone bundle. Within the bundle, there might be a feature for memory, color, phone charger, which is a good transition into the next term, product options. Product options are components of a bundle that are also products and could also contribute to the bundle price. Product options can be associated with features. So within those product features listed above, we'll take the memory feature for this example. Within the memory feature, there may be product options that list 10 gigabytes, 20 gigabytes, and 60 gigabytes. While putting together your product bundle, the end user would have these three product options to choose from. And again, each of these product options are considered their own product in Salesforce. The next term we have is quote. Pretty important to understand for CPQ given its configure price quote. Quotes store all the details of the product and prices quoted for an opportunity. Just like opportunities have many product line items, quotes have many quote line items. An opportunity can have many quotes, but only one primary quote that you can view from a quotes related list on the opportunity page layout. Next, we have quote line editor. The quote line editor is where you edit and configure the line items that you have selected for your quote. Essentially, this is where you add all the products to your quote. You can edit the pricing, discounting, and many other things in this quote line editor. Next, we have quote template. A quote template is a combination of predetermined formatting elements for the arrangement of quote data for your presentation, typically in a PDF format. This PDF is what you would send your customers to outline the details of their quote. A quote template contains the design, content, and layout of your generated quote documents. Some of this content can be dynamic, such as the expiration date, while other content can be static, such as the company address or the slogan. You can define the dynamic content using merge fields. So on the quote document itself, you may outline certain merge fields. These merge fields would pull the data from specific fields in Salesforce, such as the quote's primary contact name. Next, we have regular price. This is the price of the product after volume and term discounts, after the application of a contracted price, or is set in a special price, which is actually the next term. Special price allows users to change the product's list price. When special pricing is in effect, it overrides the regular price. Next, we have subscription pricing. This can be based on a fixed price or a percent of total, which Salesforce CPQ calculates dynamically. Next, we have total price. Total price allows users to change a product's list price. When special pricing is in effect, it overrides the regular price. And lastly, we have subscription products. Subscription products are services that run for a set period, such as a year-long support service. An example of a subscription product that you may be familiar with would be a Netflix subscription. So that's all I have for CPQ key terms. Again, there are many other terms that you're going to want to familiarize yourself with, but these are just some of the terms that I thought would be important for you to know. I'm going to leave the link to the Salesforce CPQ guide in the description below. Thank you all for watching today, and I'll see you in the next video.